Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to week 11 of Mini Melodies, or story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. This week is all about my personal favorite animal, dogs. So I'm really excited to share these books and these songs with you. As always, we're going to start with You'll Sing a Song and I'll Sing a Song. So be sure to take out your lesson plans and follow along. Here we go. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song, and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song, and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Awesome, so our next song is called Little Dog. There's a lot of woofs in it, so make sure that you woof as loud as you can, okay? Here we go. Little dog woof, little dog woof. There's a little dog walking all around. Little dog woof, little dog woof. There's a little dog walking all around. Little dog woof, little dog woof. There's a little dog walking all around. Little dog woof, little dog woof. There's a little dog walking all around. Okay, so our next book is called A Small Thing But Big. Okay, here we go. Lizzie went to the park. She played tra-la-la. She ran zoom, zoom, zoom. She ran close to a dog. Lizzie froze. "Do not be worried," said the old man of the dog timidly. "Does she bark?" asked Lizzie, with worry anyway. "Not at little children," said the old man. "Does she bite?" asked Lizzie anxiously. "Only her food," said the old man, a bit anxious also, but with sparkle. Go ahead. Give Cecil a pat." Feeling reassured, carefully, oh carefully, Lizzie patted Cecil. Cecil sat soft and still. She seemed to enjoy those pattings. "I patted a dog," Lizzie said quietly. "A small thing, but big," said the old man, quietly too. "Shall we walk, Cecil?" he ventured in his quiet way. Lizzie felt uneasy. "Do not be worried," said the old man. "Cecil will adore walking with a child." "She is quite adoring being with you," the old man said shyly. "How springingly she walks." Lizzie walked springingly too. Walking with a dog. A small thing, but big. "She is a good dog," Lizzie said, patting Cecil. "All dogs are good if you give them a chance." "Would you like to hold her leash?" "How?" asked Lizzie, a little fearful. "Just so." Lizzie held the leash, just so, and she and the quiet old man and the quiet dog, Cecil, walked quietly around the park. A small thing, but big. "You know," ventured the old man, "I believe you could take a little walk with Cecil by yourself." "I could?" "You could." Lizzie and Cecil walked around the park, hesitant at first, then springingly, oh springingly, while the old man watched from a bench. Walking a dog alone. A small thing, but big. I walked Cecil, said Lizzie, aglow. Magnificently, said the old man, aglow as well. Before today, I was very afraid of dogs, Lizzie told him. The quiet old man replied, before today, I was very afraid of children. See? She overcame her fear of dogs. Even adults have things they're scared of, like he was scared of little kids, but he learned that they're not so bad after all, huh? So next we have 10 Little Puppies, a rhyme. So make sure that you follow along. 10 little puppies went out one day to dig in the dirt and to play, play, play. 5 were spotted and 5 were not, and at supper time they ate a lot. 10 little puppies went out one day to dig in the dirt and to play, play, play. 5 were spotted and 5 were not, and at supper time they ate a lot. Okay, so before we do the next song, how about we do Little Dog again? Make sure that you woof along. Little dog woof, little dog woof. There's a little dog walking all around. Little dog woof, little dog woof. There's a little dog walking all around. Little dog woof, little dog woof. There's a little dog walking all around. Before we read our last book, I thought I'd show you guys the craft this week, which is, of course, inspired by dogs. And this one's really cool because the ears pop up when you pull the tongue. Isn't that cool? Reminds me of my dog, Daisy. It looks like he's going, what? Like if we say eat, that's her favorite word. So he's like, what? What? Yeah, I think that's pretty cute. So if you want, make sure that you come in and grab one of those to make yourself. Okay, your next book is called I'm My Own Dog. I'm my own dog. Nobody owns me. I own myself. I work like a dog all day. When I get home, I fetch my own slippers. He's not fetching them, he's chewing them up. I curl up at my own feet. Sometimes, if I'm not comfortable, I tell myself to roll over, and I do. If someone told me sit, I wouldn't do it, even if they said, I'll give you a bone. Sometimes I throw a stick, then I go get it. It's fun. Every morning when I look in the mirror, I lick my own face because I'm so happy to see me. I say, good dog, I am a good dog. Then I give myself a good scratch. But there's this one spot I can't reach, right in the middle of my back. One time it got so bad, I let someone scratch it. The little guy followed me home. I felt sorry for him. So I got a leash. How else am I supposed to lead him around? Come on, I say. Come on, boy. I'll take you to the park. I like showing him things. Look, look, look. That is a squirrel, I say. I taught him the stick game. I have him throw. I don't know if he understands all my commands yet, but he's learning. Sit, sit, good boy. Some folks say they're not worth the trouble. You can't keep them from yapping. And you always have to clean up after them. But I've grown attached to little fella. Between you and me, I'm his best friend. You guys have pets at home? Are they your best friend? Both of my dogs are my best friends. Pretty sure Ranger would agree that he's his own dog. I disagree. He's totally a mama's boy. Okay, so our last song is I Love Dogs. I love all types of dogs. I love big dogs, small dogs, and dogs with fleas. I love dogs, and dogs love me. I love all types of dogs. I love big dogs, small dogs, and dogs with fleas. I love dogs, and dogs love me. Okay, thank you guys for joining me for this story time. Next week is all about the weather, so make sure that you tune in and you enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.